Hey everyone, welcome back. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you which domain provider and cloud provider or server provider you should be using in your testing. If you're doing testing with, let's say, Evilginx, GoFace, Modlishka, or any similar framework. Okay, so the list is already given into the description. You can just go ahead and check it. But I'll suggest watch this particular video to the end because I have given some reasons and explanations why I am recommending these particular services. Okay, so whenever you work with any phishing framework like Evilginx, what happens? You do a lot of testing, and because of lot of testing, your fingerprint all over the internet increases. And in case if your link lands into the someone's inbox where the link not supposed to go, he might report it and the domain will turn into the red. And similar thing can happen with the VPS also. They can report the IP address also that is being used for the malicious purpose. And popular cloud providers like Linode, DigitalOcean, AWS, Vultr definitely block you. Not in the case of the Vultr. Vultr will allow you certain extent, allow you up till certain extent, but after that definitely they are also going to block you. Okay, so that's why it is really important to choose the cloud provider which will not block you really easily on reporting by the persons or the so if someone is reporting. Okay, so first of all, that's the thing. The second and most important thing is about the payment method. So I don't need to explain why I'm talking about the payment method, right? So I will just say some cloud providers accept the crypto, so I think we should go with them only. Okay, and third and most important thing is the domain. So most of the people say that okay, where I can buy the bulletproof domain and all. Okay, so first of all, there is no such thing as a bulletproof domain, but there is a such thing as acceptable domains. Okay, so when I say acceptable, let's say you are sending email to the someone and in that particular email there is a domain with the .xyz, then there is a high chance that spam filter will list out that particular email into the spam, because the .xyz domain, .it domain, .ease domain, .ly domain are popular for spamming. Okay, because they are really easy to get, they don't have any additional verification, so that's why. So what we need to do is we need to use, or what you need to do is you need to use the valid acceptable domains which are not blocked by these spam filters in general. Okay, so that will help you in the testing. So what are these domain? Obviously quite popular domain which are .com, .net, .in, .us, .io, .ai, and yeah, most of the .uk and popular domains basically. Okay, that you supposed to use. Don't use any trash domains like .eth. Anyway, the eth is not available on the paid plain network. But anyway, there are domains like .xyz, .ly, .ease, I don't know, cc dot something dot me. So these domains are not useful in this particular case, because there is a high chance that the spam filter will definitely will list your email into the spam, because these are the domain which will not popular be, because these are the domain are not used in popularly to send the emails. Okay, so that it can help to others also. Okay, so yeah, that's all in this particular video. If you have any doubts or any questions, please let me know into the comments, and thanks for watching and see you in the next.